Welcome everybody, my friend. Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Let's put the dumbbell here. Okay, we are gonna pin the dumbbell to the video. That's the dumbbell. Trying to talk about now. Everything is all about we keep fit. We just keep fit. We see the way the weather is these days. That weather, the weather these days is so funny, my friend. That if we're talking about product, I don't want the TV to reflect on it. Now, when the TV is reflecting, because this is a product live, they will just say a kind of violation. So definitely we don't want the TV to show. Don't worry. You will still enjoy the show with music, okay? Just let me put this product first. This thing strong. Some people will think this thing, as small as it is, they think is it's a joke. But man, very strong, man. See this one. Why I use this one is that because of the hand. If you're using your hands to work, this one is very important for you. Maybe even you are on your computer, laptop, whatever you are doing there with your, as long as you are using your hands, your fingers like this to work, that thing is very good for you. The weather is changing. The weather is changing, my friend. So we have to be changing with the weather too. Let's put it here.